Did you know that supply chain disruptions can cause a massive 62% loss in profits? Are you a manufacturer having supply chain problems? If you are, stay put. I'm going to share some ideas that can help you improve your supply chain and avoid all these interruptions that are happening nowadays. Hi, I'm Dan Burgos, President and CEO of Alpha Nova Consulting, and we are a consulting firm that works with manufacturers to help them improve their operations so they can increase their profits by as much as 25%. So let's get into the topic of improving supply chains. So the first step I would recommend is that you understand the performance of your suppliers. Very often I see that manufacturers don't have a system for measuring and monitoring the performance of their suppliers. So look at things such as quality, delivery, on-time delivery, reliability, responsiveness, and flexibility. Those are things that you want to start measuring so that you understand which suppliers are performing and which ones are not. Second, assess your supply chain risk. And you want to look at things such as, on your supply base. Look at financial stability for your suppliers, their performance, as we mentioned a minute ago. Capacity constraints, right? Are they able to grow along with you? And the dependence ratio, meaning how much are they depending on your demand to sustain their business. Those are some of the things you want to look at and evaluate, where can you make improvements? Once you know that and understand it, develop a plan of attack, develop countermeasures based on where you have high areas of risk. And some of the countermeasures that we typically recommend as manufacturers, are you able to implement drop shipping? Do we need to change suppliers or maybe find a second source or implement things such as vendor managed inventory that can help you alleviate some of the risk or delays in your supply chain? And lastly, you want to develop a partnering relationship with your best suppliers. In other words, be strategic. Find those best performing suppliers that you can rely on so that you can minimize the risk and develop synergies where when times of risk, as most often they are, you're able to rely on your partner to help in your supply chain. So there you have it. There's some areas that you can implement improvements and assess the risk, evaluate and monitor your suppliers to improve your supply chain.
If you're watching this on YouTube, make sure to subscribe to receive notifications. If you have questions or want to learn more about us, visit us at alphanovaconsulting.com. I'm Dan Burgos, and thanks for watching.